Today we meet in this video in quite sad circumstances because my drone crashed, or should I say I crashed my drone. Avoiding responsibility. Anyways, as you can see, the gimbal is hanging still on the cable, so hopefully the cable is still intact. It looks so. Hopefully the gimbal itself is still working, but as you can see also the bracket for the gimbal is cracked. I also collected 2 more pieces from the scene of the accident. So yesterday I went to the shop and I got the L key that's suitable to open the drone, and I believe it's gonna be the smallest one, which is 1.5, and the super glue. And I would like to know how long should I leave it for. Leave bond undisturbed for 10 minutes. Full cure in 12 to 24 hours. So will I leave it for 12 to 24 hours? I'll see, maybe. I was thinking actually to glue it as it is, like now, but I think when I open it, it's gonna give me much more freedom to take it out and then stick it. But for that I need to open this belly of the aircraft and then disconnect the tapes and then take this part out. So I'll try to fix it before I go to the repair service. Hopefully it works, because replacement of the gimbal with the bracket, it's around 1,500 dirham. So let's see if my solution works. Wish me luck. Okay, for the purpose of the surgery I had to cut my nails, so we need to remove exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and then there are also 4 screws inside here. This part came off easily, and also I need to unscrew these 4 screws now. Okay, there are actually 2 more screws inside here. This one too, down, that you have to remove. I'm not sure if it's the same. Yeah, it's different screwdriver. So let me check if I even have the same one. And this one, I believe, yes, it's 1 millimeter. Yeah, it's out. So these screws are different. So okay, this is a part that you can disconnect from the top of this bracket. And let's see if I can take it out. Yay! Now you see there is this tape here. We'll have to disconnect it as well. And I will just try to push it up, and it's gonna disconnect. Perfect. And now it's gonna be the hardest part, which is sticking these 2 back together. You see, it should come here inside. Before I do that, because I told you that I have 2 parts, and I think 1 more is missing somewhere in the mountains. Not sure, but I think there should be something covering this part here as well. One part, it fell off from here. That's this part. I will just fix the cable and just click it on here. And the other part is from the bottom. And I am gonna put the glue on this part, on the upper part, because if by any chance some glue drops down on the bottom part, it moves. So I don't want it to stick together, you know. Okay, I left it for, I don't know, was like 20 minutes to dry, and now I'm gonna install it back in the drone and then leave it for some time more to dry. So in order to do that, I just need to put it back together here, put these 4 screws, connect the tapes, put this part here, and then at the end the cover on. Tapes are done. Now there are 2 small screws. It was so much easier the other way when the gimbal was out. Done. I'll give it some time and then I will try to turn it on and see if it's working. Okay, we will do the gimbal calibration, but actually looks like it's straight. It's working on here, as you can see, and seems like also it's holding straight line. Okay, I found the gimbal calibration, so I'll do it now. Successful. Anyways, yeah, it seems like it's working, so I guess we can consider this as successful repair. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm so happy that the repair worked out, because at the end I spent maybe around only $10 repairing the drone, and it's a huge difference comparing to if I was about to spend like $300 in the shop to repair it. So I want to shout out at the end to my dad, who is the only person in this world that can fix anything. Anyways, I'm his daughter, so I mean, my actions speak for themselves, right? Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I guess I will see you soon in another one. Bye guys, ma salama.